Raymond from League City has a question about foam insulation.
Well, he's getting bids that confuse him, Tom. Raymond writes to us, he says, a contractor who offers foil, radiant barrier, and attic insulation services claims that closed cell foam insulation is the best way to go to insulate the attic. I cannot figure out if they're saying spray foam in the rafters, then install foil as a radiant barrier. Does this make any sense? I'm confused.
No, they're talking about spraying it in the rafters for sure. I mean, that's the way the foam is put. They seal the attics up. And I would tell them, don't do it. Just regular insulation, radiant barrier, ridge vents, soffit vents, those kind of things, and you're fine. There's no reason. And the expense, I bet you if we sat down, Charlie, and expensed it out, it would be at least an extra $12,000 to $15,000.
Wow.
My electric bill in my home last month was $139. I know you have a giant.
Be a long time for that ROI.
Yeah, well, that's fine. But you're not going to get your money back.
So don't do that thing.
No, don't.
Yeah. And the key to that question is the guy who sells it says it's the best thing there is.
Have you ever talked to a salesman?
Yes, once or twice in my life. I've actually committed that dark art myself from time to time. Yes.
Have you ever talked to? What does a salesman sell? The best thing that ever is.
You know the job of a salesman. The job of a salesman is to transfer belief, and that's
you can sell a K car. People don't remember that.
Yeah, no, I think a Reliant automobile would be a tough sell today.
Yes, they would sell, Granadas or whatever the heck it was.
Hey, my mom had a Granada. My mom had a Granada
with Corinthian leather.
She had that very vehicle, the Ford Granada. You bet.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Okay.
With the Landau roof, even.
Do you see any more on the road?
No, we barely saw that one on the road.
How about a Pinto?
No. I just said, the very first car I ever drove was a Pinto.
Was it really?
Yeah. All right.
They were popular at the time, but any salesman's going to sell you the best car in the world. Any salesman's going to sell you the best thing in the world. It's not always the best thing. It's just the best thing in the world.
So, bottom line, stick with your formaldehyde-free fiberglass. Don't go with the foam in the attic, radiant barrier, soffit vents and ridge vents, and let nature do the job.
And don't trust Corinthian leather.
No Corinthian leather in the attic. I think even the foam guy would agree with that one. All right, do you have a question? We'll give you an agreeable answer. Just go visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom button, send it in. We'll answer it just like this, and we'll post it on our Facebook page, which we'd love you to follow, and our YouTube channel, and even on our website.